Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. The puzzle which we're gonna solve in this video is known as lockdown puzzle. So let's start. Friends, before jumping into the solution, let's solve this together. Let's pause the video for 30 seconds to solve the puzzle, and after solving, please share all your answers in the comment section. Your time starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all enjoyed solving it and you guys have written all your answers in the comment section. Let's begin to see the correct answer. So in the first equation, we have 3 sanitizers bottle whose sum is equal to 60. So the value will be 3 into sanitizer bottle is equal to 60. Sanitizer is equal to 60 by 3 equal to 20. So from the first equation, we have one sanitizer bottle value that is equal to 20. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation, we have one sanitizer bottle and 2 doctors without mask whose sum is equal to 30. Putting the value of sanitizer which we have found from the first equation here in this equation and solving this equation to get the value of doctor without mask. So 2 into doctors without mask plus 20 is equal to 30. So doctor without mask will be 30 minus 2 divided by 2, that is 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So this is end of our second equation. By the end of second equation, we have two items value, that is sanitizer is equal to 20 and doctor without mask is equal to 5. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have one doctor without mask and 2 pair of gloves whose sum is equal to 13. We know value of doctor, that is equal to 5. Putting that here and solving this equation for gloves. So 2 into gloves plus 5 is equal to 13. So gloves will be equal to 13 minus 5 by 2, that is 8 by 2 equal to 4. So pair of gloves will be equal to 4. So friends, pair of gloves is equal to 4. So one glove will be equal to 2. Now jumping on to our fourth equation. In the fourth equation, we have one sanitizer plus 2 masks and 2 gloves whose sum is equal to 44. On solving this, we will get value of mask as we have value of sanitizer and gloves. So putting those values here in the equation and solving this equation to get the value of mask. So it will be pair of mask is equal to 44 minus 20 minus 4, that is equal to 20. So pair of mask value is equal to 20. So friends, if 2 masks is equal to 20, so 1 mask will be equal to 10. By the end of fourth equation, we have every item's value present in the puzzle. Now putting them into our last equation and solving it. So in the last equation, we have one sanitizer, one doctor wearing mask and gloves with one sanitizer bottle into one glove, and we have to find out the value. Now putting the values here. Here we have one sanitizer bottle whose value is equal to 20. Now seeing our second picture very carefully. Here one doctor. So doctor value is equal to 5 plus he is wearing pair of gloves. So that is equal to 4 plus he is wearing one mask, that is equal to 20 divided by 2, 10, 10, and one sanitizer bottle is also there, that is equal to 20 into one glove value equal to 2. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS, firstly we have to solve the bracket, then order, division, multiplication, addition, and in the end subtraction. And friends, addition and subtraction can be done simultaneously. There won't be change in the answers. Open the bracket first. In the bracket, we have 5 plus 4, that is 9, 9 plus 10, 19, plus 20, 39. Now, once we have solved the equation present inside the bracket, we can open it. So the value is 39 and bracket is opened. Now we have to do the multiplication first, followed by addition. So 20 plus 39 into 2, 20 plus 78, that is equal to 98. And we have solved the puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends. And do subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles and riddles. Thank you. Bye-bye.